Hi, this is Marty from the Dougherty Garden. Today we're looking at my amaryllis plants before I relocate them to another part of the garden. Normally they bloom April, May, and this year for some reason I only had my white red amaryllis bloom. My pure red seemed to be on vacation or something happened with my pure red, so I was hoping to get the colors, but right now all the ones in the big pot here were the white and red, and I know one of these other pots, and I think the two small ones are the seedlings, so I'm still waiting for them to come up and do their thing. So until then we'll just search out. What I'll do is over the course of the next couple of days is clean these up a bit now that my knees feeling a little better, and start to clean up. Here we got a little wayward bee over there. You can see him walking around. He's trying to figure out where the hell's the flowers. There he is. Let me see if I can get him right there. See him? Right in the middle. There he is. He's visiting. I don't get too close to him. And what I'll do is, you can see they have the large leaf. Like I said, that's another one of the plants I call invasive. And there's sitting in front of my little alamander, my yellow alamander plant. And there's another Europhobia. So what we'll do is basically just clean this up a little bit, and I'll go pot by pot. I'll label them all. That one, I know, and the two small flowers. The big one would be called the red and white amaryllis, because I know that definitely is red and white amaryllis, because all the blooms I got this year were red and white amaryllis plants. The other one, and I believe it could be this one over here, and I don't see any signs of this. But the funny part is I get these birds, not that they're aggressive, it's just that anything that's in their way, they just don't like it, so they pull the signs and they just pull them with the beaks out and throw them away. So that's how I get some of my plants unlabeled. So like I just said, in the meantime, this is just my white and red amaryllis plants. What I'll do is I'll clean them up and I'll put them on the left section of the garden, and we'll see what we'll put in here in the meantime. I think I may take some other plants and we'll see what we'll do for that. But in the meantime, this is Marty signing off. Please like the video. If you have any questions, thank you very much. Bye-bye.